the last hijab style, we're doing the loose hijab style, which I have been wearing so much lately because it's just so much easier as a new mom. So I am taking my black premium chiffon hijab. It's perfect to use the premium chiffon instead of the luxury because it won't move as much when you're wearing it. Take it over your head and make sure your right side is not too short. You want it to be medium length, but the left side still a little bit longer. And you're going to bring it around your face so it's kind of flowing really nicely around your face without having to shape your face and pin it underneath. You're just going to let it loose and just flow around it really nicely. But you're going to take the long side and bring it very gently around your neck and over your shoulder to the other side. You still want to kind of cover your neck a little bit like that. So you see how the left side is just hanging really pretty like that, but the right side is as well. So you're just going to take the right side and tuck it in, give your right side a little bit more of a shape, and then leave your left side hanging like a bang. It's so pretty. And then you're going to take the left side hanging piece and bring it over your shoulder. Just like that. And you're done. You could leave it like this, but also if it's on a windy day, your scarf will be a mess. So it's always good to pin them in. I always do the same pinning routine, and that's in the center and on both sides of my head. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we'll be